Welcome back to my channel. So I did one kit, 10 cards for the month of January for Spellbinders, and the kit was called Truly Madly Deeply. It was based on Valentine's. You get 10 cards, 10 envelopes, 9 pieces of cardstocks, 7 dies, not a paper pad, stamp set, tag embellishments, glitter foam, sentiments, chipboard embellishments, sequins, die cup shapes, foam squares, and adhesive tape. And I love this because if you went on a trip and you just wanted to craft but not take your whole craft room, this would be the perfect kit to take, because I mean literally all you would actually need is a trimmer and some scissors, and there you go. So let's show you the 10 cards I made. This is the dies in a month, and they're banner based, and the sentiment I used in it was Truly Madly Deeply. There was 2 sentiments that you could have used, and I used Always, and here did some flowers, and I did a heart paper pad. And when I do the 10 cards one kit, I never do my insides, like, because I'm too busy thinking about how to make the cards that I really don't do my insides. Except for one card I did inside, kind of, sort of, but so that's that one. This one I did a shaker, and it says thinking of you. I just love it. I love the shaker. Oh. This one I did some hot air balloons, and I did it on a tag, and you have some piano paper note, and you have some dot pink paper behind it, and it says you lift me up. This one did some more gold paper, and I did some of this paper right here behind it, and then I did a piece of paper on the side, and then there's note paper with the notes, and then it says for you for love, and I made this interactive where this can come out, so it's giving you, like, so giving a person a bouquet of flowers. So I turn this interactive, and it says just for you, and I'll put a foam arrow. So adorable. Then for this one, I did the paper. There was some flowers to mimic the paper. So what I did, I just did a 3-3 form of it, and I just laid it on top of the paper, and it says February 14, be my Galentine. Quite simple, but to me, I think it makes a statement. It was funny when I saw the dog paper in here, and I was like, dog paper? Okay. I guess dogs are in love too, but okay. So here, I said celebrating love together, which the dogs are celebrating love. And I put some XO paper down at the bottom, and this was what I did inside. And I put a sticker for the dog, and I put her down here and him up there, and I put a heart saying they're in love. This is my only card I made. This one is about friendship. It says thanks for being friends forever, and I did butterflies, and I did there was like 3 different types of butterflies, and I did it. Oh my! Just gonna put some glue in here fast. Cause I taped it down. Put that like that. That's when I'm doing these. I'm trying to get them done. So if I rarely use glue unless I need to use glue or something to glue it down. Can't seem to find the hole to get that in there again. There we go. Okay. And I'll show you this one. Life has traveled, the best journey together. And I did the car. And I put some sequins. And I did the lipsticks. And I put some heart paper behind it. And in here, I did some hearts. Those are hearts. And I laid some hearts inside here. And it says, Happy Moments. I was getting towards the end, and I was running out of ideas. And in here, there's some heart on the heart paper. And then I did some that gold paper, and then I did some stars on the side, and it says I love you forever. Again, I did some more of that heart sticker paper. I think it's cute. And I put a jewel in the center. And then for my last card, it's quite simple, but I think it turned out okay. I did the frames, and it says always and no one matter what, smile, you, me, and that's it. That's my 10 cards for, was it Truly, Madly, Deeply for January. So until next time, like and subscribe. See ya.